Ojiako, my brother. Oji. My eyes have seen my ears. Where you go, Nana? Even maybe go. Nuku even me.
Okolo, why are you sounding like this?
Ojiako. Oji. Ibe is dead.
Bano!
Yeah. Hey, Dogwaji Ajambo, Dogwaji Anaka is no more. Hey! Hebo! That notorious criminal, Ejina, has killed him. Wokaiji Ajamba, Wokaiji Anaka, Udogu Puto Obude Ajolo is no more. Hebo! Tibia. Hebo! We
are in danger. We are no longer serving this community.
Right, very right.
There is an insider in our midst. This evil has taken another dimension.
I agree with you completely. Totally. You are right. Oji, my dear, it's just that I know that we're under the cover of the gods. Hey! By the way, Ojiako, what is the meaning of that list? What is the meaning of that list? What?
Can't you hear when the Igwe said Ejina sent in the list? That anybody's name that is in that list must be killed.
Hey! Ojiako, Awamo. Muawa, I will be traveling to Ikom. Let me go and stay with my mother's brother, my maternal uncle. Man of one and milli.
Okolo, don't tell me you are running away from your house because of that small boy. Okay, tell me, what about your daughter? Are you traveling with her?
That one? No. I'm not bothered about my daughter at all. Or in any opening, also have even now, I have not him. Njere many road. Manu! And I'll talk to you later. Talk why no. Odi? Nekwanya ndi Igbo si na ebunudu azu obiog. Nkuru ka buru ujo. Odi?
Ojiako, I cannot run away from this community or leave my house because of that small boy. Ejina, you have bitten more than you can chew. Ejina, Mbana, say.
Papa?
Yes, my dear.
Where are you going to?
Sorry, I didn't tell you. I'm traveling to Akom, to my maternal uncle's place. He asked that I come and join him because he's very sick. He said I should come and assist him. That's where I'm going to.
Papa, so when did you become a doctor?
No, I didn't say I'm going to Akom as a medical doctor, no. Just to go and help my uncle. In any case, I will not stay long. I'll just be there briefly for 2 days.
No wahala now. In that case, just take care of yourself.
You take care of the house, eh?
No problem, Papa. Be safe. Safe journey.
Ojiako, you are welcome to the great Odinga, the king of the whole deity. Speak!
Odinga, Odinga, the great Odinga, the king of all Dibias. I salute you. Odinga, I have been troubled by a notorious criminal called Ejina. I no longer sleep in my house. My eyes are heavy. My mind cannot rest. Odinga, I have come for protection. Please help me.
Again, you so called because you will be a bomb. But I know I can eat a warrior. Robon Coblog. My Coblog again. Stand on your feet, Ojiako. These items contains all the protection that you need. Bury the calabash in your compound. Blow the gunpowder in the air. All you desire will come to pass.
The great Odinga. Nkaka mwete mbuka koisi. Awa kwenike. Ofanya yeti waledike. Biakene bianolonu. Ekenengi. A great Odinga. Thank you. I salute you.
Ojiako! Go! Because your prayer has been answered.
Thank you, great one.
Go, Ojiako.
Umuibe, you want to go? Nkabago, you want to go? So when I Ozzy onto the next one, you want to go? So when I the info to go down, nga update to come on, you want to go?
No, you want all the mapos are ready. Nothing they happen.
Hey, you did.
How the game, man?
Mbada. Anya na funti.
Mbano.
Ane buziane.
Bebe Mbano.
Ane buziane.
Bebe Mbano.
Oh, the Nwa mama.
Nwa mama. Chai.
What the Nwa mama?
Oh, the Nwa mama. Oh, the Nwa mama.
On oh, go back. Low key things. You want to go? Kwa na cho hideout. Bezlima advert. Give me a little phone. So for what kind of song you are going? So come in now, Kobiko. Confirm. Anya na funti.
Mbano.
Anya na funti.
Mbano.
Ane buziane.
Oh, the Nwa mama.
Nwaka mwili nna m mba ebe fama kwa nwa mmụrụ nwa ijele nna m arode enwefukwala ife iyi arode ye mma
God bless the day you conceive me. So the name
Okwa ego. Nna, ọmụ.
Odogwu guy name. Golibin.
Hey! Kene ya o. Afa ya bifu n'anya kene ya o. Chineke onye isi udo kene ya o. Ọfụlụ ya n'anya kene ya o. Afa ya bifu n'anya kene ya o. Chineke onye isi udo kene ya o. Ọfụlụ ya n'anya kene ya. Nye mụ nwenka. Ngakpọwalibe nkụ. Stove. Nna m bịa ọ dị ka ịma esi m ofe onugbu dị mma.
Onugbu.
Ewu. Nwa ijele.
Magana ya mozo. Mozo ya na. Ekwe dika. Weje jamba. Akade ku, deke dika. Weje jamba deke na no ga je tewe baniru ekwe. Udo. Iku dika. Why me ya man? I didn't know obo ye. Yo kwamba kwano. Wodi dia wo. Ya ye dika no. Wodi be ye be. Hey! Ewe! Olha! Olha! Let me look around and make sure my compound is well secured. Nobody can intimidate me in this community. Good. Yes. I think everywhere is secure.